Welcome to jQuery video series, and this is part 123, and today we are going to look at the slide toggle function in slideUp effects. So before I proceed, I'm assuming that you're having a jQuery file imported in your project, and you also have the reference of that into your head section. You have also written some basic code, the JavaScript code in order to execute our jQuery instruction. Okay, so before we proceed, I would like to show you a markup. So in markup, what I have here is one h2 element, then I have one div element which is holding two paragraphs, and in the end I got one button which says toggle me. Okay, so let's preview that in browser. So you can see h2, two paragraphs holding a div, and the div is blue in color, and the border is 5px, and in the end we have a button, and all those colors and everything is coming from this style class blue, which I have attached right here. Okay, so now let's talk about the slide toggle. Toggle means we are toggling the visibility of an element. So let's say I'll explain what I mean by that. So this is a div which is in blue in color. All right. So at present, this div is in the visible state. So what I want is when I click on this element, that element should go away. So you understand the transition happened just right now was from on to off state. So basically, it was visible and now it's invisible. And when I click this button, it should come from the invisible state to visible state like this. So that's toggling. So I can keep on going like as many as time. So you understand this is like in simple words I can say this is like a switch you have at home. When you get in, you turn the switch on. When you get out, you turn the switch off. So it's like you're toggling. Right, so that's what this is. And now let's see how this is achieved in jQuery. So it's pretty simple. You can see I have a button here. So what I've done is I have taken this button and I registered the click event on document.ready. And I said, when this button is clicked, I want to perform some action. And the action is slide toggle. Slide toggle function tells me whichever element you want to toggle, you just put the elements element right here. So I'm saying I want the div element who has the class blue, and I want you to keep on toggling it. So if I look at the document, I can see only one div tag who has the class blue. So now if I'm looking at this, so it's only this will get impacted. Right, so that's what I've done. All you have to remember is slide toggle is the function, and you need to specify a selector on which you want to apply the toggling. Okay, so now we have a fair understanding of slide toggle. So we are going to finish with that, and next we are going to start with the feeding effects. Before that, this slide up, down, toggle, these all functions are similar to our basic effects. So now the homework is you guys tell me the difference between them. All right, or if you don't understand, it's fine, I'll tell you the difference, no worries, it's just an homework. And also I want you to try do some nasty things here, some experimentation, and see what you get out of it. Right, in case of any issues or problem, then let me know via comment. I'll be happy to help. And up next, now we're going to start with, like I said, the feeding effects, and feeding in will be a topic. So I hope to see you there. And once again, thank you for your time on this, and thank you for listening to me.